Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by accessing the manager account with an admin login so you control unlinking and cancellation. Once signed in, export performance reports and download client data. This preserves history before removal. Make sure billing owners are known and campaigns are paused. You don't want charges after unlinking. Next, open account settings and account access to confirm your role. These prerequisites speed removal and prevent surprises. Do them now so you can proceed smoothly to unlinking and shutdown steps. Once done with backups, pause every active campaign and stop automated rules so spend halts immediately. Then, one by one, unlink client accounts using the manager's account list. Choose Remove or Unlink and confirm. This severs control but preserves client access. Make sure to cancel billing profiles linked to the manager and delete payment methods to avoid future charges. If a client account refuses unlinking, contact that account's admin directly. Coordinated removal prevents stranded links and billing conflicts before you finalize closure. You finalize by submitting the cancellation or closure request in the manager's account settings. Follow prompts and confirm you understand data retention and access changes. After submission, monitor the admin email for confirmation and allow processing time. Some actions take days to complete. If the manager won't close, check that no child accounts remain linked, revoke any API tokens, and verify you're the billing owner. If problems persist, contact Google Ads support with your account ID. They can clear stuck links or role conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.